Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove an item from the Steam Marketplace. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam application and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see several menu options there, and one of them is labeled Community. Hover your mouse over the Community tab to reveal a drop-down menu with various community-related features. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Market. This will take you to the Steam Marketplace, where you can buy and sell in-game items, trading cards, and other community content. The marketplace is where all trading activity happens, so this is your central hub for managing any items you've put up for sale. Once you're on the marketplace page, look for the section called My Sell Listings. This area displays all the items you currently have listed for sale on the Steam Marketplace. It's essentially your personal inventory of active listings, showing everything you're trying to sell along with their current prices and how long they've been listed. Now, in this section, you'll see all your items displayed in a list format. Although I don't have any items in my sell listings to demonstrate, the process is straightforward. Right beside each item you have listed, you'll notice a Remove button. This button allows you to take that specific item off the marketplace and return it to your regular Steam inventory. Simply click the Remove button next to the item you want to take down from the marketplace. The system will process your request almost instantly, and the item will be removed from your active listings. This means the item will no longer be available for purchase by other users, and it will return to your inventory where you can either keep it, list it again later at a different price, or use it in your games. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully removed an item from the Steam Marketplace. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.